Hey, champs! Riddloverse is back with a super amazing question for you. Imagine you wake up in the world's most extreme places. No help, no escape, only one question. Would you survive? Let's test your survival skills. Each level equals new extreme place. You must decide yes or no. Count your yes answers, final result at end, pause and think before choosing. Be honest. This is your survival score. Here is your first dare. Would you survive in a desert without shade? What you say, yes or no? Comment fast. Would you survive in minus 60 degrees Celsius temperature on Mount Everest? Choose yes or no before time ups. Yes or no? What is your choice? Would you survive drinking only cactus water for a day? It's almost an impossible survival. Would you survive lost in dark forest at night with dangerous wild animals? I don't have any courage for this survival. Would you survive floating in ocean for 12 hours with a bamboo boat and water bottle? I think I can survive. Would you survive alone in a house which is full of poisonous snakes? Who dare for this? I can't. Would you rather survive alone with snakes in a house daily for a week or comment your score till now? What is your choice? Would you survive trapped in Arctic blizzard? Think carefully, it may be dangerous. Yes or no? Would you survive strong sea storm on a boat for 5 hours? Would you survive inside a car parked in summer sun for 30 minutes? Can you do this? Comment. Would you survive walking 5 kilometers on black sand in 48 degrees Celsius heat?
Yes or no?
Would you survive city floodwater for 1 week without food? You are very strong if you choose an yes. Would you survive living in an igloo for 3 days? Yes, I can. It's an adventure. Would you rather survive with cactus water for a week on drought land or tap like button to get a full 20-liter water bottle? What you choosing? Would you survive inside space station emergency situation? Sorry, I can't. Would you survive lightning storm in open ground? Would you survive falling in icy water and reaching land in minus 40 degrees Celsius? Yes or no? Would you survive in a house which is full of sharpened nickels everywhere? If your choice is yes, then you are in a dangerous trouble. Would you survive sandstorm with low visibility? Would you survive one day on Mars with full space suit? Easily if I got food and water. Would you rather walking on black sand without shoes at 48°C heat or hit the subscribe button to get ice shoes? Walking or ice shoes, what you choose? Would you survive on a small island for 3 days without phone? Yes, I can survive, and you? Would you survive inside an active volcano zone for an hour? I can't do this. Would you survive 5 days with remaining today's food only? I think it's not possible. Would you survive in a swamp area full of insects? Would you survive on top of the mountain with less air pressure? It may be dangerous. Would you rather survive alone on a lost island without phone or tap like and share video to get a phone for communicate? Would you survive giant hailstorm without shelter? Yes or no? What you choosing? Would you survive city floodwater for 6 hours? Would you survive in deep sea pressure environment in marine costume? If you are an asthma patient, so don't think about this. Would you survive for a week at place affected by nuclear bomb attack? If you choose yes, then it's impossible. Would you survive a snowstorm with very low visibility while lost on a mountain? Would you survive on alien planet with unknown air? Yes or no? Where you go?
Would you rather share this video to your 5 lucky and best friend or subscribe the channel if you are a brave person?
Mission complete, but the game is not over. Next time, new places, new dangers, new survival test. Are you ready for level 2? So, what's your survival score? Did you become a survivor or a survival legend? Comment your score below, and if you survived this video, then subscribe the Rid Lovers because the next challenge will be even harder.